What is a Disciplined Agile Senior Scrum Master, and what do they do? Well, a Disciplined Agile Senior Scrum Master, or DASSM, is equipped to deal with more complex work challenges than a Scrum Master. They support solving challenges in a wide variety of situations, involving more complex scaling factors faced by Agile teams. The DASSM role also requires more planning, metrics, and reporting skills. In addition, they take a more active role in team development than a typical Scrum Master would. A DASSM has knowledge of how to work with upper management levels by building an understanding of the various layers and other areas of their company. They will identify allies and coordinate with other teams to improve the value stream. In this course, you take a deep dive into the DA toolkit to develop a comprehensive understanding of the hundreds of practices and strategies it contains and the trade-offs of applying them. Learn how to lead Agile teams through key enterprise activities, such as planning, coordinating, and reporting, and be ready to show your improvements in areas where your organization is struggling.